Okay, we're now going to connect the Lark M2 to the Panasonic. So first thing we're going to do is get our receiver, which is right here, and then we're going to put it on the hot shoe mount right there. Next, we're going to take the cable as provided, and we're going to connect it to the receiver. Going to connect it right there. On the Panasonic GH4, we have the mic input right there. Now we're going to take our mic and we're going to turn it on. Okay, it is now paired to the receiver and we're ready to record some audio. So let's record the audio and let's listen to what that sounds like. This is the sound of the Panasonic GH4. This is the onboard mics. We have not connected the Lark M2 yet. Audio check 1 2 3, just speaking in a normal voice. Audio check 1 2 3. Now let's connect the Lark and listen to that. Okay, now we're listening to the audio of the Hollyland Lark M2. Actually, I connected both of the microphones. Audio check 1 2. Audio check 1 2. Left and right is going right now, and I can also change the volume on the receiver itself. So let's do that, see what that sounds like. Audio check 1 2. So it looks like I'm clipping, so let me turn it back down so you can turn it to 1. I think that should be good enough. Audio check 1 2. And as I step back, I'm about 4 feet away. Audio check 1 2 3, and you can hear the difference. So let's compare, see what the original sound is like, and listen to the Hollyland Lark 2. By the way, I didn't have to do any settings or anything. Once I connected the receiver to the camera, it detected the microphone right away. And there you go. That's exactly what it sounds like. Hope you found that useful.